The first thing you need to know about Planet Hollywood Cancun is that it's located in Costa Mujeres, a quiet, upscale stretch about 45 minutes north of the Cancun airport. Unlike the busy hotel zone, this area is far more relaxed, with private beaches, luxury resorts, and a feeling of escape that's hard to match. It's perfect for travelers who want to unwind in a more exclusive part of the Riviera Maya. While it's a little removed from the main nightlife and shopping areas of Cancun, that's actually part of the appeal. You're away from the crowds, the traffic, and the constant noise, and instead, you get a peaceful beachfront setting with crystal clear water and plenty of space to spread out. If you do want to explore, excursions to Isla Mujeres or local attractions can be arranged through the resort. For many guests, this trade-off is well worth it. You arrive, settle in, and don't feel the need to leave, because everything you need is right here. Rooms at Planet Hollywood Cancun start at around $490 per night for a junior suite ocean view, and that includes all food, drinks, entertainment, and amenities. For an upscale all-inclusive in a private beachfront location, that's solid value. But for a limited time, the booking link in the top comment and description gets you 20% off, which can save you hundreds of dollars depending on the length of your stay. If you're traveling as a couple and want a comfortable space with great views, the standard junior suites or entourage suites will do the job nicely. They come with either a king bed or 2 queens, a pull-out sofa, and all the essentials, from a stocked minibar to a furnished balcony. These rooms are perfect if you want a great experience without going over budget. For families or small groups, Star-Class Junior Suites offer more personalized service and access to exclusive areas of the resort. These come with daily minibar upgrades, priority restaurant reservations, and a separate check-in lounge that makes arrival feel extra smooth. The swim-out version is especially popular, giving you direct pool access right from your patio. And if you're celebrating a special occasion or just want more space, the Star-Class Directors Suites are the top-tier option. These 1- and 2-bedroom suites are well over 1,000 square feet and include premium features like a full living room, upgraded amenities, and priority access across the resort. With options that work for couples, families, and groups, and with that 20% discount available right now, this is one of those resorts where paying a little more really does give you a better experience. Planet Hollywood Cancun is packed with amenities that make it easy to settle in and not worry about a thing. There are 4 outdoor pools, including a large main pool with a lively vibe, a quieter adults-only pool, and a lazy river that's a hit with both kids and adults. Poolside service is fast and friendly, and the swim-up bars keep drinks flowing all day long. Sun loungers are plentiful, but during peak hours they can fill up quickly, so an early start is a smart move. The resort also has a full fitness center with yoga, Pilates, and other classes throughout the week. And if relaxing is more your pace, the spa offers everything from Swedish and deep tissue massages to beachside treatments with ocean views. Many guests say the spa was one of the best parts of their trip, a real highlight if you're looking to unwind. For families, there's a supervised kids club with daily activities, a playground, and a separate pool just for younger guests. And with on-site conveniences like a coffee shop, convenience store, and gift shops, you'll rarely need to leave the resort to get what you need. Whether you're here to stay active or simply relax, Planet Hollywood Cancun delivers a well-rounded experience that goes beyond the basics. Entertainment is where Planet Hollywood Cancun really leans into its theme, and for many guests, it's one of the most memorable parts of the experience. This isn't just a place to relax by the pool. It's a resort that puts on a show, and it does it every single day. Live music, themed parties, and interactive performances happen regularly throughout the week. Whether it's a DJ spinning by the pool, a movie night under the stars, or a Hollywood-style dance show, there's always something going on. The energy level stays high, especially in the evenings, when the resort transitions from sun-soaked chill to full entertainment mode. There's also a sports bar, a theater, and regular events that appeal to both adults and families, from trivia nights to karaoke and dance contests. If you're traveling with kids, the Star Kids Club has themed activities and games throughout the day, keeping younger guests entertained while parents get time to relax. What makes it work is that everything feels optional. You can be as involved or as unplugged as you want. If you're in the mood for a quiet evening, the property is big enough to find your own space. But if you want fun, music, and a bit of spectacle, it's never more than a few steps away. It's that flexibility that makes the entertainment here such a win for different types of travelers. Dining at Planet Hollywood Cancun is more than just convenient. It's one of the resort's biggest strengths. With multiple restaurants included in the all-inclusive package, you can try something different every night without ever leaving the property. The variety is solid, and most guests say the food quality beats what you'd typically expect from a theme-focused resort. The main buffet, SoCal Gourmet Emporium, is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with a wide mix of international dishes, fresh fruit, pastries, and rotating daily options that keep things interesting. For casual bites, Guy's Burger Joint serves up juicy burgers with crispy fries, and it's a crowd favorite, especially for families and late-night cravings. If you're in the mood for something more elevated, you've got choices. Gusto Italian Trattoria does classic pastas and pizza in a cozy setting. La Cocina offers upscale Mexican cuisine with bold, traditional flavors. Sunset Strip Steakhouse is the go-to for a proper sit-down dinner, while East Sushi and Teppanyaki provides an interactive hibachi experience that's both fun and filling. One thing to note, restaurant reservations can be tricky during peak season, especially for the a la carte options. Some guests mention needing to plan ahead or speak with the concierge for help securing prime dinner times. But once you're in, the service is attentive, the portions are generous, and the setting matches the overall polished vibe of the resort. With options for every type of traveler, from quick bites to full-on date nights, the dining experience here hits the mark. There are a few helpful things to know before you book, especially if you want to get the most out of your stay at Planet Hollywood Cancun. The resort has a vibrant, entertainment-driven vibe, which is great for families and social travelers, but if you're looking for a quieter or more laid-back experience, the adult scene section is a smart option. It's a dedicated adults-only area with its own pool, exclusive restaurants, and a more relaxed atmosphere, all while giving you full access to the larger resort whenever you want more action. The size of the property is another point to consider. It's spacious, which means you'll have plenty of room to explore, but depending on where your room is located, you may have a bit of walking between the beach, pools, and dining venues. If easy access is important to you, make sure to request a centrally located room during booking. For travelers who like everything streamlined, upgrading to Star Class can make a big difference. You'll get priority check-in, personalized concierge service, and access to exclusive lounges, all of which help avoid the few minor inconveniences that come with any large resort. Planet Hollywood Cancun offers fair value for what's included. This is a 4-star, all-inclusive resort with a themed experience, and while it's not the cheapest option in the region, you're paying for the scale, service, and branding. Standard room rates generally start just under $500 per night depending on the season, and that covers your accommodation, all meals, drinks, entertainment, and use of resort facilities. However, with the limited time 20% discount through the link in the top comment and description, the price becomes more competitive, especially for longer stays or group bookings. The Star Class upgrade does raise the nightly rate, but includes added benefits like priority service and access to exclusive areas. It's worth it if you want a more seamless stay or are celebrating something special. Overall, this resort sits in the mid to upper range for all-inclusives in Costa Mujeres. It's not a budget pick, but if you use the discount and take advantage of everything offered on site, most guests feel they get what they pay for. I'll leave my Cancun and Mexico accommodation playlist in the description if you'd like some alternative places to stay. Planet Hollywood Cancun is the right choice if you want a vacation that's easy to plan, packed with variety, and delivered in a polished, high-energy setting. It's ideal for families who want space, entertainment, and convenience without needing to leave the resort. It's great for couples or groups looking for fun during the day and lively evenings, with the option to retreat to quieter corners like the adult scene section when it's time to unwind. If you like the idea of modern rooms, multiple restaurants, daily activities, and full days spent by the pool or beach, all with one upfront price, this resort checks the boxes. Add in the current 20% discount through the link in the top comment and description, and it becomes one of the stronger all-inclusive picks in Costa Mujeres right now.